Oh shit, Nirmala.
Come. We're rolling the dice now. Which number bus stop we're supposed to get down?
Where do I roll it? I stand up alone.
No, just roll it somewhere.
So that's 5.
The 5th bus stop from here we're going to get down. So,
Vidya, have you ever been in a bus?
we agency is been in a bus and it's a nice thing. The conductor is also smiling. So we've taken a ticket for 2 for the 5th stop from here. It costed us 40 rupees and he's going to give us the change. What is the stop name, sir?
Tin factory?
Huh?
Tin factory?
Tin factory. Yeah.
Yes.
Tin factory. Okay. To be very frank, this is out of my comfort zone and I'm feeling really nervous.
I'm feeling hot here. Too hot.
Yeah. So we're going to get down at this stop. So we got down of the bus. Now what's the plan?
We roll the dice again.
Well, let's go in the shade here. So now we're just going to roll the dice whether we go in the metro because we are right at the metro station, whether we board the metro or no.
Yes, of course, yes.
Oh my god, again.
I am getting very scared. This is very unnerving for
Yeah,
me.
she's very nervous. Vidya is very nervous. I'm not.
I am very nervous. So we are at the Baipanalli metro station.
And we roll the dice again to see which stop.
Which stop we're supposed to go. Okay. So Baipanalli is the last stop and we again roll the dice
And go back.
stating how many stops we go back. This is really very perplexing. I don't know what is happening. I am very nervous. Nirmala is not. The dice as to which tickets we are supposed to buy. How many stops back?
7.
7.
5, 6.
Oh, 7. Remember?
7.
God, okay. 7. So we've stood here for more than 20 minutes and still we have not done anything. So we
Yeah, since we had a technical issue at the metro, we ended our walk there. It was taking too much time and we thought, okay, let's get back.
yeah, we ended our destiny walk and we're heading towards Level Road.
Yeah, where we stopped the car.
Yeah.
And I think it's done.
Yeah. So here we have come back to the same square and our car is still there. I was more
Let's
worried
stop
about
it.
our car.
Left it.
Yeah. Done. So we go back to our car. In 2 hours we walked. Our bags are there.
So we just ended our destiny walk and we are just back at the same place now.
Yeah.
So what did we learn? What do you think?
It is a mixed feeling.
Yeah.
I don't know whether we liked it, we didn't like it. I feel
You were a bit nervous, I felt, during the
I was
bus
very
ride
nervous.
and all.
Yeah, I didn't like
I
the
could see
bus
that.
ride. I didn't like the metro station and the long line there. I don't know. And then there was a glitch. We couldn't buy the ticket.
Yeah. So, but then for me it was okay. Initially, yeah, I was excited, but then I just left it. Okay, let's go. Let's see where it's gonna take us. So, yeah, of course, I'm a bit tired. We are tired.
We are tired because the biggest mistake that we did was we didn't carry our bags with us.
Yeah.
So we were without cash. Anyway, it was exciting. We went out of our
comfort zone. And what, like recently I just read this phrase where it says like only dead fish go with the flow. So that really is apt.
Yeah,
now.
I felt because we had no goal, because we had left it everything to universe. I think we landed nowhere. We should have had a more, at least a set idea of what we are going to do.
Yeah, but
Any-
I think if anyone goes along this, it's gonna be the same.
Yeah.
You have to have your aims, you know, focus. What do you want?
Goal
Where do you
in
want to
life.
reach?
Yes, you have
Yeah.
to have goal in your life. Even I
Exactly.
think it applies to life also. Universe is not going to come and help you. So your choices do matter.
Yeah, so we just end it this way. Yeah.
This way. She's Nirmala Narayan 3. I'm Vidya Vakil by Yoga Room. Please follow us on our Instagram
Yeah.
and like our video.
Yeah, and we'll have more exciting vlogs
Coming up.
coming up. Yeah, sure. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Take care.